In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the Facebook app language. So I'm going to show it in two places. One is in computer, another one is using my phone, my Android phone. It should be similar with iPhone. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Let's go. Now let's show it in the computer first. Where do you find the language? So you go to the top right. Now you can see it's the picture of you. Last time it was 3 lines, the burger icon, but now it's your picture. So just click on your picture on top, go to settings and privacy, go to language, and you can easily change the language here, whether you use US or you can choose different language that you want. That's how you can change the language easily using computer. And now let's jump into the phone and let me show you to you how you can do it. Alright, so now we are at the phone. Go inside your Facebook app, go to top right, you can see your picture there, just click on it. Scroll all the way down, you should be able to see settings and privacy, click on it. Scroll, you can see language, and there you can change the language accordingly. If you were to use device language, it is a language that you use in your device. Alternatively, you can select UK or any other language that you prefer. Now this setting is of course only limited for phone. As mentioned just now, what is in the desktop and what is in the phone app is totally different, so you need to set accordingly. If it is not set one, and then it is applied for all. So alright, that is how you change the language in your Facebook app. If you like what I share, do like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Goodbye.